Hello friends, how are you? It has probably occurred to you that you need to separate photo from its background. There are many softwares for this, but we want to teach this once and for all in a specialized way. There are many tools in Photoshop that you can do this, and I want to show you 5 of the best. I do not waste much time and we quickly go to Photoshop software. What you do depends on your photo. The photo may be as hard as this image or as comfortable as this image. I'm here to teach you how to work with both. If you do not need your work to be very sensitive and the quality is not important to you, you can use the magnetic lasso tool. This tool can help you in many things. You can click and start spinning around the subject. If you hold down the Alt button at the same time, you can continue the rest of the path in a straight line. When the cartoon is over, you can hit Enter and use the Move tool to place the subject on any background you want. If you want to do this a little more accurately and easily, you can use the Quick Selection tool. This tool using Photoshop AI can make this easier for you. Just click and hold the click down and move on the subject to select it. Now our photo has been selected with better quality and we can take it on any background. The third method is for those who do not like to work with the mouse too much and cannot easily move around the subject with the mouse. Just select the Object Selection tool. Click on the image and hold the click down and release when you have selected the subject completely. Photoshop easily selects the subject for you. Now you can choose any background you want for this subject. The next tool I want to show you is the Pen tool. This tool is mostly used to select shapes that do not have many angles, like a square, a rectangle, a triangle and more. To start, you have to click on the image and go a little further and click again. You can click on this line again and give it a curved shape. You should continue this work until the subject is completely selected. As I said at the beginning, many pen tools are not suitable for selecting hard subjects and are used for many engineering and industrial works. When the cartoon is over, right-click and select Make Selection. Now you can take the subject on any background you want. Now we can compare the 4 subjects we chose. None of these methods are very accurate so far, but you can sometimes start a cartoon. Now we are going to separate a hard subject from the background. The photo has a lot of fine hair to choose from. This method is one of the best and most accurate methods of selection. Click on Select Subject here. If you do not need a more accurate choice, you can take the same subject and put it on the background. but you see a white light around the hair still remains. We can easily remove this light. Mask the layer and click on the mask icon. I click on this small box and the hair layer is easily removed. A photo like this can be easily separated from the background. I select the subject and add a mask to it. I click on the mask icon. Do you see these tools on the left? You can easily select unselected places with it. And with the second tool, you can select places that need more precise and sensitive selection. All I have to do is click next to the hair and the places that need to be carefully selected so that Photoshop picks me up. I click on this box and we are done. The background with the highest quality has been removed. Now you can take it and use it wherever you like. If you are like this videos, you can watch more videos on my channel. Do not forget to like and comment. Bye.